Imagine a future where the word cancer doesn't fill us with dread. A future where this devastating disease is no longer a life-altering diagnosis, but a preventable condition managed with something as simple as a vaccine. Sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie, right? Well, that future might be closer than any of us ever imagined. The world of medicine is on the brink of a revolution, and today we're going to dive deep into the incredible progress being made in the fight against cancer. Let's start with some recent electrifying news from Venezuela. Scientists there have announced a groundbreaking development in their cancer vaccine research. What they're creating isn't just a treatment, it's a preventative shield. The core idea is brilliantly simple yet incredibly complex. Train our own immune systems to become cancer-fighting super soldiers. This vaccine is designed to teach our bodies to identify and destroy cancer cells long before they have the chance to grow, multiply, and spread. Think about that for a moment. The ability to stop cancer before it even truly begins. It's a paradigm shift in how we approach this disease. While the research is still in its crucial stages, the initial data is incredibly promising and has sent waves of excitement throughout the global medical community. This isn't just a local success story, it's a beacon of hope for the entire world. But Venezuela is not fighting this battle alone. This quest for a cancer-free future is a global relay race, with nations around the world passing the baton of innovation. Just next door in Cuba, researchers have been pioneering therapeutic cancer vaccines for years. Their Sinovac EGF vaccine, for example, has shown remarkable success in slowing the growth of lung cancer tumors. It doesn't cure the disease, but it turns a highly aggressive cancer into a manageable chronic condition, giving patients precious extra years of quality life. It's a testament to long-term dedication and a different yet equally vital approach to tackling cancer. Now let's jump over to the United States, a powerhouse of biomedical innovation. Here, the frontier of cancer treatment is being pushed forward by two game-changing technologies, immunotherapy and gene editing. Immunotherapy, with treatments like CAR T-cell therapy, involves engineering a patient's own immune cells in a lab to make them expert cancer killers, then reinfusing them into the body. The results for some blood cancers have been nothing short of miraculous, with patients in advanced stages going into complete remission. Then there's CRISPR, the revolutionary gene editing tool. Scientists are exploring how to use CRISPR to literally snip out the genetic mutations that cause cancer, correcting the problem at its source. It's like having a molecular surgeon that can fix our DNA. These aren't just incremental improvements. They are radical new ways of thinking about and treating cancer on a personalized cellular level. Meanwhile, across the Atlantic, Europe is also making giant leaps. Germany, which was at the forefront of the mRNA COVID-19 vaccines, is now channeling that same groundbreaking technology towards fighting cancer. Companies like BioNTech are developing personalized mRNA vaccines that are custom-made for each patient. Here is how it works. They sequence the DNA of a patient's tumor to identify its unique mutations. Then they create an mRNA vaccine that teaches the immune system to recognize and attack only those specific cancer cells, leaving healthy cells unharmed. This targeted approach promises a treatment with potentially far fewer side effects than traditional chemotherapy. The same spirit of innovation is alive across the continent, with massive investments pouring into research centers, fueling a new era of European medical science. And we can't forget the incredible scale and speed of research happening in Asia. In China, massive government-backed clinical trials are underway for a wide range of cancer therapies, including personalized vaccines. Because of the country's large population, researchers can gather data and test new treatments on a scale that's difficult to achieve elsewhere. This allows them to accelerate the development process, identifying what works and what doesn't much faster. They are exploring everything from traditional herbal medicine combined with modern oncology to cutting-edge cell therapies. This blend of tradition and hyper-modern science is creating a unique and powerful front in the global war on cancer. So what does all this mean for us? It means we are living in the most exciting time in the history of medicine. We're witnessing a global, collaborative effort to conquer one of humanity's oldest and deadliest foes. The work being done in Venezuela, Cuba, the US, Germany, and China It's all interconnected. Each discovery, each breakthrough, builds upon the last. A discovery in gene editing in California could inform and improve an mRNA vaccine being developed in mice. A successful clinical trial in Shanghai could provide the data needed to get a new therapy approved in Sao Paulo. We are moving from a one-size-fits-all approach of slash, burn and poison, surgery, radiation and chemo, to a future of intelligent, personalized and preventative medicine. The day is coming when cancer might be a manageable condition, not a death sentence. The pieces are all falling into place. From preventative vaccines that stop cancer before it starts, to therapeutic vaccines that manage its growth, to personalized treatments that eradicate it with pinpoint accuracy, the arsenal of weapons at our disposal is growing more powerful every day. The journey is far from over, and there will be challenges and setbacks along the way. Scientific progress is rarely a straight line, but for the first time, a future free from the fear of cancer seems not just possible, but probable. So, are we on the verge of a cancer vaccine revolution? Looking at the incredible progress happening all around us, the answer seems to be a resounding yes. The future of medicine has never looked more hopeful, and we are all privileged to be witnesses to this historic moment. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the future of health. If you found this information as hopeful and exciting as I do, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss any updates as we continue to track these incredible medical breakthroughs. Stay curious, stay hopeful, and I'll see you in the next video.